Good morning, students. Today we are diving into successor and predecessor. Successor means the next number and the predecessor means the previous number. Successor means next number. The number successor, the number that comes immediately after the given number is called successor. Means to say, if the number is 5, then the next number is 6. You can say that 6 is the successor of 5. And you know how 6 is comes after 5. Here we add +1 into 5, then the next number is 6. And we can say that the 6 is the successor of 5. यानी कि in another words, successor means +1. Successor means +1. किसी भी नंबर में अगर हम +1 करते हैं, उस नंबर में एक जो है वो प्लस कर देते हैं हम, then we will find successor of the given number. Now, predecessor. Predecessor means previous. Predecessor means previous number. Previous मतलब पीछे वाला. Pre means उससे पीछे. If we have the number 7, now we have to find the predecessor of 7. For finding the predecessor of 7, we already say that previous number. Then the previous number of 6 is 7, and we can say that 6 is the predecessor of 7. In another words, we can say that अगर हम 7 में से -1 करते हैं, एक कम करके चलते हैं, then हम जो है वो हमें 6 will get 6. So in another words, अगर हम किसी नंबर का predecessor find out करना है, तो उस नंबर में से एक कम कर देना है. प्री मतलब पीछे, और सक्सेस मतलब जब भी हमें सक्सेस मिलती है, देन हम जो है वो आगे हमेशा आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो सक्सेसर मीन्स +1 and the predecessor means -1, and successor is also the next number and predecessor means previous number, as the name indicates. pre मतलब पीछे, सक्सेस मतलब आगे, means to say आगे वाला नंबर, and in predecessor पीछे वाला नंबर. अब हम इससे रिगार्डिंग कुछ क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Here we have the number 6999, for whose we have to find the successor. We have to find the successor of this term. अब successor means the next number. अब हो सकता है कुछ बच्चे जो है वो सीधा सीधा फाइंड आउट कर लें कि 6999 के बाद जो है वो क्या आएगा, और कुछ को हो सकता है जरूरत पड़े, जो कि हमारा लॉजिक है. Here we have to +1 in this term, 9, 10, 10, again 10. Now it's equals to 7000, which is the successor of 6999. The next is 75. It's so easy. We have to find the successor of 75. So we add +1 and we will get 76, which is the successor of 75. 3599. Now we have to find the successor of this one. Then we have to again add 1 in this. And it's so easy. 8 plus 1, 9. The next is 9. And 5, 3. Now it's 3599. These are the questions related to the successor. How we have to find the successor of any given number. By adding 1 in the given number, we find the successor of the given number. Now we will move forward to predecessor. We have already taught you that what is predecessor. Predecessor means previous number. The number that comes immediately before the given number. Immediately before the given number. For example, here we have 1649. I have to find the predecessor of this given term. For finding the predecessor, we know that predecessor is the previous number of the given number. अब या तो मैं previous number अपने आप से लिख दूं कि मुझे पता है कि previous number क्या होगा, यानी कि इससे पहले पीछे कौन सा नंबर आएगा. 1649 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा. इसके पीछे जो बेटा लॉजिक है वो ये भी है कि हम इसको जो है अगर छोटे लेवल से स्टार्ट करें देन we have to write the fill up here because it's also related with the before numbers. We can say that what comes before 1649. It's so easy. We have to write here 1649. And another logic is here -1. आपने अभी पढ़ा है सक्सेसर में हम लोग +1 करते हैं और प्रीडिसेसर में हमेशा -1, यानी कि बिफोर and it's also the after number. And in another words the next number. तो अगर आपको थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है नंबर फाइंड आउट करने में देन आप रफ वर्क में भी इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. 9 minus 1 it's equals to 8. 4 is as it is, 6 is as it is, and the 1 is as it is. And this is the successor of the 1649. Now we have to find the the predecessor of 68. Predecessor of 68. So previous number of 68 is 67, and in another word 68 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7, 6 as it is, then it's 67. इस तरह से हम लोग जो है वो किसी भी टर्म का प्रीवियस नंबर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. लास्ट एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ 5481. Now I have to find the predecessor of this term. अब सबसे पहले बच्चे हमें देखना है यहाँ पर वंस प्लेस में क्या है. Here I have 1. So the previous number before the 1 is 0. So it's equals to 5480, which is the predecessor of this given term. I thought आप सब लोग समझ चुके होंगे कि what is successor and what is predecessor. At the end of the this I have elaborate this. Successor means the next number, predecessor means the previous number. Successor means +1, predecessor means -1. The number that comes immediately after the given number, then it's called successor. And the number that comes immediately before the given number is called a predecessor. Okay, thank you.